What if your community could generate all its own energy? Grow its own food. Recycle every drop of water and waste and still thrive? In Scotland, one village has been proving this for decades. Findhorn Ecovillage. Here, power comes from the wind and sun. Homes are crafted from natural and recycled materials. Food is grown in organic gardens just steps from the door. Even waste is transformed into resources, closing the loop of sustainability. The results? Lower bills, fresher food, cleaner air, and a stronger sense of community. People feel healthier, more connected, and more at peace with the world around them. Findhorn is more than a village. It is a living blueprint, a reminder that sustainability is not sacrifices, it is abundance. The future of living is not concrete and pollution, but communities in balance with nature.